watch that HBO. We're getting close, dudes. I better save. Did you see that HBO Scientologist documentary? Kind of interesting. It kind of indicates that John Travolta is being blackmailed, which of course, you know, because they keep records and everything, which I already knew about. He's being blackmailed to stay a Scientologist, probably. Alright, we should probably read the journal. Graves. Unmarked. Oh, okay. Which way now? This way. It's getting so loud now! It's truly spooky. Oh, there's a shiny. Remains of a woman, strongs of long dark hair. There's a bullet hole in her forehead. Great. Okay, let's go back. Go back. Can we quick? We could quick travel. Like this, I'm healing. Oh, that's what I couldn't dig up before. Go talk to Gariel. Well, I thought we were done. $100 for one? Shit. Oh, I would like this. I would like that more than this. I want to be sneaky. Alright, let's see if we can sell this charm. How much monies do we have now? 341. Alright. Oh yeah, you will go. Did it go? It did. Okay. Many. So where did I get? I need to ring the bell. Ooh. It was Martha's! It was Martha's! He was talking as she died. Oh, someone stole the spade. I think that's it, but I'm just gonna double check. I think I have to talk to the girl again. Yep. Kabows. Oh. Oh, wait. I finished that, right? Investigations. Does that mean I did it? Better save. Crank another time. He's very buxom. He is. So, what do now? I'm not sure. I guess I have to go black and white time. Go back to black and white time. God damn. Several among the council were wary, treating with the naturals, but I've convinced them the necessity to starve before spring, and I think I need to. There we go. Adjust my chair. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna do something fun. Let's see. Ooh. Well, that didn't make me that dark. There we go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. There we go. Almost out of tea, I think. I might go get a ginger beer once I'm out of tea. Alright. I don't know. Should I do this? What's when I do this? Oh, it's color again. Make it really ooh, now we're okay, now we're fitting in. Yeah. Man, my settings are gonna be so fucked. What kind of ginger beer do you drink? I drink Krabby's ginger beer. There we go. Let me adjust the brightness. Oh. Ooh, look at that, guys. Oh. Oh. Oh, we're video games now. Alright. I think we're ready to continue. Wait a minute, I'm refreshing. Go. Alright. Alright. Oh, that might be too dark. God damn it. So I was doing it with the white thing that was up. Okay. Shit! There goes another arrow! I got it. Okay, I don't like pressing X when it's this frickin' spooky. You live in Alcatraz. You guys, I don't like that noise. It sounds like springs. Ah! Shit! Fucking skeletons! I missed! Vancouver. Ooh. Oh my gosh, look at me. Oh my gosh. Where are my features? Why does this stay white? Okay, I'm just gonna leave it white. I want to see why it stays white. Why does it stay white? Are you loading? What are you doing? Like, I thought it might be like... There we go. Okay. Fuck. Now we lost all our monies. We gotta go find our monies again. There's too many of them. I just want to get my money. I'm a fucking run. Monies. What am I supposed to do with you? High ground. Get on high ground. Jump up. Stop moving so much. There was only 3? There was more than 3. What? There was like 5. Wasn't there? Okay, that's cool. Let's save. Collect up valuables and shiny trinkets to hide in the woods away from our settlements. Great, we're in like an open area. This one. I heard something. Like it. I don't like it. This is Martha. And she had a pistol pointed at her when she died, and then we pointed a pistol at her as a ghost. Whoa! 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 Okay, I see it. You guys, this game is spooks. Anything from E3 I'm excited about? I don't know. I don't know, dude. That's something I shoot. No. Don't do this to me, man.